Hi, I'm Marty, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, I'm going to share with you today how to iron a basic pair of khaki pants. Now, I use my own starch mixture. You take cornstarch, which you probably have in your kitchen, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of cold water, mix it together, put it in a mister bottle, and it's as good as store-bought. When you are starching, give the clothes a second to absorb the starch. Starting at the foot of your iron, I'm going to iron that seam, and I'm going to be pulling just enough tension to keep it taut. There you go.